We're on the Richmond Highway corridor in Alexandria, where Fairfax County is looking to grow our communities, provide economic development opportunities, and create a place that's welcoming for all residents and people who visit this corridor. We have created the Embark Comprehensive Plan, which encourages mixed-use development to support a walkable, pedestrian-friendly, and biking environment. One of the ways that we want to help implement the Embark Plan is to create urban design guidelines. The urban design guidelines help support the goals of the Embark Plan by focusing on the space between the street and the building. So what we're looking for is the design details of things like parks and plazas and streetscapes, providing the details for things like sidewalks, street trees, bike parking, public art, all of the landscaping and the green spaces that we all want to see that help support creating a sense of place in our community. The plan is for us to wrap up the development of the guidelines by the end of the year and for the board to hopefully endorse them in early 2020. It's really important that we have community input because we want to give everyone the opportunity to share their thoughts and the look and feel of their community. They're going to be the ones to use these spaces, so it's important that they feel like they're designed for them.